a new Exedy, or Exedy, however they say it, clutch kit for the Impreza from Panda Motorworks. This is the 15010, I think it's 95 through 2001 Impreza clutch kit. We buy the whole clutch kit as a complete unit, not just the disc, but it comes with a pressure plate, it comes with the clutch disc, the friction section here, and then it also comes with both bearings. I did previously unbox this earlier just to check out, make sure that everything was here. So this is what it comes with. You have your pilot bearing. This is the pilot bearing for the clutch. Not exactly sure how this goes in. I have to take the original one apart yet before I've only ever done this on a Trans Am, so. So that's the pilot bearing. Your clutch alignment tool. This makes everything easy for the transmission. When you're lining it back up to slide in, everything's lined up and ready to go. A little bit of grease, you know, can't go wrong with a little bit of grease. This is packaged up pretty well. You have the friction section here. Try not to touch the actual friction part too much. This is the transmission side here, so this side will actually go towards the engine. Got a little bubble wrap here, little paper guy, and you have the pressure plate. So this will actually go in like this. The engine will be on this side, your transmission will go in on this side. This is the other side, the friction plate on this, and then your flywheel is going to be the other side of this. So this just kind of bolts over top of the flywheel, and yeah. I can move it up here. The throw-out bearing, I don't really want to pull it out of the packaging until it's ready to go into the car, but that's it. The clutch bearing, the one thing I will say I'm disappointed in is it's made in China. Might be able to get the factory one made in Japan, but I know a lot of people were having trouble with the made in China bearings on, let's say, the timing belt for most of the Subarus. So it might be worth looking into. If nobody's ever really had a problem with it, I'm not that worried about it, but I'm just gonna look into seeing if anyone's had any issues with the China-made bearings in the for the pilot bearing. Well, thanks for following along and watching my videos. The car's getting a lot more parts here. Hopefully we'll be back on the road here soon. So if you want to follow my build, like and subscribe, and I appreciate you following along.